My name is Tafida Zara. Welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to talk about narrative text. What is it? Its purpose, structure, and examples. Let's dive in. Okay, now I want you to know the definition of narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text used to tell a story. The goal is to entertain readers or listeners and sometimes to teach a moral lesson. Okay, now is the purpose of narrative text. Okay, the main purpose is to entertain and sometimes to educate through the story. Okay, do you know the examples of narrative text? Okay, the example of narrative text is like fairy tales, like Cinderella and Snow White, like that, and the legends. Okay, legends is example is like the legends of Malin Kundang and fables. Fables is like the tortoise and the hare. And now let's learn about the structure of narrative text. Okay, narrative text has three parts. The first one is orientation, second complication, and the third is resolution. Okay, what is orientation? Orientation is the introduction of the story, including the characters, settings, and time. For example, like once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess living in a castle. Okay, this is the orientation. And then complication. What is complication? Complication is the problem or conflict in the story. For example, one day a witch cast a spell on her. And then the third one is resolution. Okay, what is resolution? Resolution is the solution to the problem and how the story ends. For example, a brave prince broke the spell and they lived happily ever. And now we learn about language features of narrative text. The first one is uses past tense. For example, the princess lived in the castle. Okay, and the second one is uses action verbs. For example, the witch cast a spell. And the third one is uses adverbs and adjectives to describe. And for example, bravely he fought the dragon. Okay, now I will give you an example of narrative text. Okay, if you follow the structure of narrative text, the first one is orientation. Okay, let's make the orientation. For example, once upon a time in a small village there was a kind woodcutter. Okay, the second structure is complication. Okay, for example, one day he lost his axe in a river. A fairy appeared and tested his honestly. Okay. Second structure is resolution. Okay. For example, because he was honest, the fairy rewarded him with a golden axe. Like that. Okay, so that's all about narrative text. Remember, every story has a beginning, conflict, and ending. Okay, practice writing your own story and make it as creative as you can. See you in the next video. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.